Okay, let's take a look at how to replace the Whaley Plus CO2 laser. If our gas source, the CO2, needs to be refilled, we need to replace it, or we need to remove it or replace it with a new laser. When we need to carefully disassemble this particular device, COFs, we simply need to gently remove this specific part right here. There is a protective plastic tube positioned here to safeguard the delicate mirror surface. We just need to carefully take it off in this manner to effectively remove it. After meticulously taking it completely apart, you will find several screws located here, and also another screw positioned over here, requiring careful attention. Remove these two screws. After removing these two screws, there's also a screw down here. Remove this one as well. Here we have the RP65, so there are shields and protective plates. The screws on this side of the protective plate, clear's throat, can also be removed, as well as the screws over here. Also, for these wires here, where the power source for our laser comes out, all these wires need to be unplugged. And this one as well. Yes, this also needs to be unplugged. Also, this one needs to be unplugged as well. This needs to be installed. If it's not installed, it won't be able to measure the temperature. It must be connected to this. So when disassembling, you can just unplug it directly. Alright, then after that you can remove this. Just pry the wire upwards, but make sure not to disconnect the wires on this side. Do not remove these wires. Now we can take this off and replace it. When replacing it with a new one in the future, just put the new one in and then secure it with these three screws. Once they're tightened, that's it. We don't need to adjust the light pattern or the optical path anymore. Just pry this wire upwards here. I'll pry this, just lift this wire up, and then you can remove it.